Greetings everyone. Today in this quick video I will show you how to check the SEP compatibility of the version you want to downgrade to, and it is really easy to do. You can follow the link in the description. You will see the SEP checker, and then you will see that which versions are signed currently. So currently 14.4, 14.3 and so are signed. So for example, I have the iPhone 6 and I have saved the blobs for 11.3, and I want to check that it will work or not. I will just select 11.3 and then it will show you that it's compatible for iPhone 5s to 6 or whatever device you are testing to. All right, so for example, I test 13.3. You can see that it says that it is not compatible, so the restore or the downgrade will not be possible using Futurerestore. We will check another firmware. You can see that the SEP is compatible for 13.5 but baseband is not. So you can check via this website that if it is compatible, if it is fully compatible, yes, you can downgrade to if you have saved the blobs. If you want to save the blobs for your device, you can follow the link in the description. That is a complete guide that you can use to save the SH2 blobs for your device. Guys, I hope you will find this information helpful. If you want to ask something, you can ask. So guys, I will end the video here. Until next time, see you guys.